Is our universe inside a black hole? Scientists have suggested a mind-blowing theory. The universe may resemble a black hole to any outside observers. In this video, we are going to dive into primordial black holes that were formed when our universe was a baby, long before stars and galaxies were even born. Primordial black holes are black holes that formed soon after the Big Bang. In the early universe, high densities and some special conditions could have led sufficiently dense regions to undergo gravitational collapse, thus forming black holes. The scientists suggested that primordial black holes could be a reason for strange cosmic possibilities, including baby universes and major features of the current state of the cosmos, just like dark matter. Such black holes could also play a role in the synthesis of heavy elements when they collide with the neutron stars and destroy them, releasing neutron-rich material. 68% of the universe comprises dark energy. The matter that we see is less than 5%, whereas dark matter makes up some 27% of the universe. There is an exciting possibility that the mysterious dark matter is composed of primordial black holes. To study the exotic primordial black holes, physicists employed the hyper-sublime cam of the huge 8.2-meter Subaru telescope, which is a gigantic digital camera near the Mount Mauna Kea in the Hawaii. In their study, the research team observed the early universe. The time of quick expansion followed the Big Bang. During that time, the universe was sufficiently dense and the conditions were just right for creating the primordial black holes. One exciting possibility is that primordial black holes could form the baby universes created during inflation, which is a period of about 10 to 33 seconds after the Big Bang, during which the fabric of our universe expanded at a speed faster than light. This period was responsible for seeding structures that we see today, such as galaxies and galactic structures. During inflation, baby universes can grow out of our universe. Although such a baby universe would ultimately collapse upon itself, the almost incalculable release of energy would lead to the formation of a black hole. An even more exotic phenomenon is that some of the bigger baby universes might not have gone so quietly. So if it is bigger than some critical size, Einstein's theory of gravity allows the baby universe to exist in a state that appears different to an observer on the inside and the outside. The internal observers would witness something expanding, while those on the outside, such as us, would view this baby universe as a black hole. This theory has led to the question whether everything known to exist is potentially on the inside or outside of such a universe. Such a baby universe would be invisible to us because it would be hidden by its event horizon, the invisible boundary beyond which everything is trapped and cannot escape. Primordial black holes, however, should not be confused with supermassive black holes found at the center of the galaxy, which have masses billions of times of that of the Sun. Don't know about supermassive black holes? Don't worry, just comment down if you want a detailed video about black holes. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss it out. The primordial ancient black holes have masses as small as that of our moon. If a black hole passes through the line of sight to one of the stars, the black hole's gravity bends the light rays and makes the star appear brighter than before for a short period of time. This duration can tell us the mass of the black hole. With an advanced camera, one can observe 100 million stars in one go, casting a wide net for primordial black holes that may be crossing one of the lines of sight. A new round of observations is now underway extending the search for primordial black holes to confirm their existence and to determine if there are enough for them to explain the dark matter. Carl Sagan once told that imagination will often carry us to worlds that never were, but without it, we go